Yo, what is going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan. Today, I'm going to be bringing you a brand new unboxing and review of these right here. Guys, right here, a shoe I was looking forward to. I know that within the community, these things were pretty hit or miss. However, I was able to snag my pair about these things right here. And let's get into it. So, label reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG SP. Colorway is University Red Black. And size 11.5, my true to size, in an Air Jordan 1. So, opening up these things right here, you got the shoes, man. So, yeah, I was actually able to get a pair of the old Spider-Man joints right here. I did not hit on the sneakers app, unfortunately. I did hit on a size 13, so not my personal size. But I got these things through a trade from the app Trade Block. So shout out to Trade Block. You can actually, you post your shoes on there, and sometimes you get some good offers. You send some offers to other people. And honestly, sometimes you get lucky, and sometimes you can get a pretty decent trade. So I was able to actually trade up for these things, and I'm super glad I did. So let us get right into the review. All right, guys, so yeah, these things are the Spider-Man joints, the Across the Spider-Verse. Movie does come out in June, so look, I'm actually looking forward to that. I'm a huge Marvel fan. I've watched the entire series of like every single movie from the MCU. Not a big comic book guy. Like I'm not into all the comics and stuff like that. But I do obviously enjoy the Spider-Man movies and so on and so forth when it comes to Marvel movies, right? So big fan of Marvel. Glad I was able to cop these things for my collection. And here we are. So when you guys get your pair, they are going to come wrapped up individually in white tissue paper. But obviously I took them out of the box and laced them up already with the black laces. One thing to point out right away, when we're talking about the laces, they only come with these black laces right here. No additional laces. And like I said, we get this standard Jordan 1 box. Pretty disappointing, if I'm being completely honest, because the marketing for this shoe, I know that the Friends and Family pair did get that official Marvel Miles Morales type of Friends and Family box. However, I really believe that they should have done something special with these things, especially for the marketing that they had put out around these things. It's literally an official collaboration between the movie, the Spider-Man movie, and the, Jordan brand. So, honestly, I'm kind of surprised that there's nothing special to this box. I mean, you could have even thrown a spider web on the damn box for all I care, but this is what we got. And, yeah, so anyway, the shoes are chef's kiss. I really think so. I don't think that these are better than the origin stories, the Spider-Man 1s. I don't have a pair myself. The things are going insane right now, around like that $800 price point. But I think that for what this shoe is, for it being the legit collaboration with the movie and the story behind the movie, going through the different Spider-Verse, the different universes, right? The execution on this shoe is absolutely incredible. And to be honest, as far as storytelling, this is way better than the origin stories, the very first one. Now, the actual colorway, it's basically your standard Chicago colorway for the originals, right? You just had a translucent sole, and then you had like the little dots from like to make it look like the comic book. But other than that, this is definitely a more well executed version of what they were going for with the comic book theme. You can tell it's got like all the comic book dots right here going around the entire upper right here. Forget what the exact name of those dots are when you're reading a comic book, but that's literally what they went with, right? So it's the whole comic book theme. You can tell by the Jordan Wings logo right here. It's more of like a screen print. It is not like an embossed or an embroidered logo. It's just like that screen print. But then you got the dots for the comic book theme, like that glitch effect almost. Then you got that iridescent patent leather going around the top of the ankle collar all the way through, right? It also transmits all the way down to the swoosh. So you got that iridescent swoosh going on these bad boys right here as well. So in different lights, it kind of like gives you like that glitch effect. Really, really cool. Really love that touch. You got these different panels of leather and suede going around the back. So you got suede right here. Going to this textured panel right here. It's like, it's leather, but it almost feels like, I don't actually know what this material is. Maybe it's like a nubuck or something like that. But it's like a dyed nubuck. Really, really cool right there. And then you go to that more smooth leather right here. Not soft, but just a smooth textured leather right there. Going to the midsole, you got that nice sail midsole. I'm personally a huge fan of the sail or cream midsoles. That's just me. I know some people are sick of it by now. But me personally, I really enjoy a nice good sail midsole. Going to the white leather right here. On the mid panel right here, you got a really nice soft white leather. I don't know if you'll tell by the camera. It's more of a flat leather, but it is pretty soft. And then also on the toe box, it's more of a harder leather. I mean, it's decently soft, but nothing that'll blow your hair back. It's more of that harder leather right there. Just like that flat, smooth leather. Still looking good. Going to that toe box, you have a really soft red leather on this toe panel right here. Look, I mean, you can even tell by me just pressing it. Really nice soft leather right there. And then also, you got this translucent red outsole that, yes indeed, I know that you guys know it by now. You got that nice glow in the dark bottom. Unbelievable touch from Brand Jordan. Like I said, brilliant execution of this shoe. And like I said, you got the black laces, only laces that come in the box. And then that tongue, you got this cream tongue. So you do have a cream tongue, and it's a very different tongue than what we're used to on Jordan 1s. So it's a much stiffer, thicker, neoprene or nylon, I should say, tongue. However, it's like, it almost like stays center, right? So it's actually pretty nice. It's really padded. You can tell by the back, different as well, how the stitching of the Nike Air logo right here is obviously, it doesn't go to the back like every other single Air Jordan 1 does. Not in this case, but I'm actually digging this tongue. It's a nice padded tongue. Inside, I don't know if you'll be able to tell. On the insole, you have a black insole with the red Nike Air logo. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to give you a quick overview. Like I said, I'm a small channel, all right? So for now, these reviews are going to be kind of like mundane, and I understand it. You've probably seen these things a million times by now. But you know what? I'm a small channel. I don't have the funds to be going out and buying things early to get early reviews. That's kind of where the business is right now on YouTube. People who are going and paying that bread for early views, it is what it is. They're getting more views. They're getting more subscribers, but we're doing our best here, and we will continually grow. I promise you that. And like I said, let me know what you guys think about the Spider-Man joints down below. Personally, I'm a huge fan of these. I think the execution of these are fantastic. Really enjoy the execution and the storytelling behind these. And at the end of the day, it's just another version of a Chicago Air Jordan 1. And who can go wrong with that? Now, if we're talking about resale predictions, I do think that these things are going to be going up. Now, I don't know if they're going to reach the origin story heights, that $700 to $800 range. I don't know. This isn't financial advice by any means. But I think that with the story, the official collaboration with the movie hasn't even released yet. These things already increased in price from the drop. They were originally sitting at that like $260 price point. In my size 11.5, I believe they're going for like $300 right now. So they did obviously drop from before the release. And then they went back up after the release. I think, I'm not like a hold sell type of person, right? If you have the funds and you wanted to invest in these things, I think that, it might be a good option to, if you were able to get it for retail, hold on to your pairs if you never planned on wearing it. I think down the line that these things will probably increase. Yeah, I mean, it's a Spider-Man, it's a Jordan 1, it's a Chicago color blocking, kind of a no-brainer. I personally like these. I'm going to be rocking my pair in my size right here. And I don't know what I'm going to do with those size 13s. I don't know yet. Like I said, I'll probably hold on to them. I don't know, like, the resale is going to skyrocket by any means. Or I can use that as trade bait down the line, like I said, over on Trade Block. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for me. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please hit the subscribe if you are new around here. We are cruising to that 700 subscriber mark. So please hit that subscribe button. And if you do not mind, please hit that post notification bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. With all that being said, my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill. And I'm out. Spidey senses are tingling, baby. Woo!